Hello, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a drag Specialties center jack scissor lift stand so I could work on my bikes. I did get the extra wide one from Revzilla. The cost was $181.95 plus tax. So I will leave the link in the description if you're interested in this. If you like my channel, guys, if you like these videos, do me a big favor. Hit that subscribe button. I'm getting tons of views, tons of watch time. People are coming in to watch the reviews of products and stuff like that, but you're not hitting that subscribe button while you're here. Do me a favor. If you like them, support my channel, hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get into this. I took my Iron 1200 Sportster on the longest single day ride today. 201 miles. Went up, left Connecticut, through New York State, hit Massachusetts, came back down. It was a beautiful ride. Bike ran good. It was a nice day. So let's see what we have here. Box within a box. It's heavy. Let's get this box out of the way. Boom, boom, boom. Let's open it up. Yeah, so I have some more projects that I want to do on the Iron 1200 too, that I'll need this jack to do to get it off the ground a little bit. So, and then I got the project bike too. That bike has the exhaust is under the frame, so I'll probably be taking the exhaust off anyway. So I'll get it up on this to work on it. Definitely got some weight to it. Let's get it out of this bag. Directions. Alright. Maximum load 1,000 pounds. Do not operate before reading the instructions. And that is the law. Alright, so you put a socket on this and you can crank her up. So what I'm going to do is I am going to read the directions really quick. It says do not operate before you read the directions. So I'm going to read the directions. I'll come back. We'll set it up under the bike. We'll lift the bike up. Let me give you a different angle here. So I got the bike set up. I did bolt my drive-on wheel chock to the ground, so the bike just drives up there nice now. I push it on, rolls right off. Absolutely no problem. Alright guys, so I got the jack set up under my bike. The bike is on the wheel chock, so you have to put the kickstand down to get it out of the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jack it up enough that we'll get the back tire off the ground so it can spin. If you want to get your bike off the ground to work on the front tire, I think maybe you get somebody's help, hold the bike, crank it up with it not being on the wheel chock, and that'll raise it up and you'll be able to get at the front tire. But I'm all alone, so I'm going to jack this up. You put the socket on here. I got it set up to where it's going to hit the crossbars. Coming up. Looking good. Alright, back tire's off the ground. So you can work on anything you want in the back there. I think this says, let me look at the measurements just so you know. This is the wide one. So the maximum raised height is 14.5 inches. The width of the wide jack is 15.25. Jack length is 9 inches. Capacity 1,000 pounds. The lowered height is 3.5 inches. But you guys know as well as me, if the height of the 14.5 just isn't enough, you might be able to put a couple pieces of plywood under there if you need another 1/2 inch or 1 inch. So this is the Drag Specialties Center Jack Wide Edition. Hopefully it's going to help out to do work on my 2019 Sportster and my project bike, which I'm hoping to reveal soon. Guys, hit that subscribe button. 600 subscribers, I'm going to reveal that bike. Thanks for watching. And this is Carl saying, laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.